I know how you feel when I pick up when you call me.
What's good, my people? It's your boy Max, and I'm back with another video. This one is different, very different. Usually what I do is review trainers. What have I done? I've reviewed jackets, coats, you know, trainers. But today is very different. If you know me, I'm not really a jewelry guy, but I'm trying to get into it. So today I've bought myself some Armani bracelets, a men's Armani bracelet, gold, and it just came. This is it. It came like this, and we're gonna be reviewing it and seeing if they were worth the price. So I did pay £71 for it, so UK pounds. Convert it if you guys ain't from UK, but 71 UK pounds. So it's not a lot, but it's not a lot. Do you know what I mean? It's not a lot, but it's not a lot. So it better be worth the price, is what I'm saying. So guys, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to see what these are about and see more videos like this. So yeah, guys, they came like this, you know, in this kind of outer layer package. And if you kind of slide it, the main thing will come out. Armani Exchange, you know, the brand. So yeah, it comes like this originally, and if you take it out, we have a lot of things. We have a lot going on here. I don't even know what's going on. So these, oh wow, that's quite heavy as well. That is pretty heavy. So we're gonna put this there. So yeah, it comes with this. I'm not sure what this is. Certificate. I think it's just an authentic, just to show that it's real. Yeah, so I think this is some kind of sort of authentication thing with a little code at the side. I believe it's to just show that they're genuine. So it comes with that in the box. It comes with like a little bag as well that you can keep them in. Like a little bag, yeah, that's really handy, because sometimes I'll be losing my stuff. I leave my stuff lying, and you know what I mean, sometimes they just end up getting lost that way. But after I've used them, I can just pop them in this little bag and boom, put it back in the box. You're good to go. You will never lose it. So that's handy, that is. I'm gonna put that there. This, what is this? Which is like a manual, I believe. It's like a manual. It says stuff about it. Jewelry made from stainless steel and brass. Caution is suggested when stainless steel and brass jewelry is plated or combined with a mix of materials, blah 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 blah. Recommend avoid exercise. So it's just giving you, yeah, it's just giving you rules like of just tips and information regarding the product. You know what I'm saying? So that's the packaging. So right now we're gonna move on to the main thing. The main thing is the jewelry. So let's see what the jewelry is about. So guys, as I said before, they are quite heavy. It is pretty heavy, so you can, the weight, I'm expecting some big things already by the weight. I'm expecting big things. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it's saying. I can say, I must admit that they have packaged it pretty well. Took good care of it. So let's see. They've rolled it up a lot. Wow, that is pretty lit. I can't lie, this is lit. This is lit. It's come with a little tag on the side. Come with a little tag and authentication or whatnot. It's come with that. So this is cool. So we have the Armani. There's a camera over there. So we have the Armani logo. I'm not so sure if you can see that. Armani Exchange. So it's an A and an X. What else do we have? Don't really have much apart from that. So I reckon it's gonna be a short video, but it's really good. The weight already, as I said, the weight is showing that they are worth the price. The material, I feel like you might have to be careful, because if you drop this, you might scratch it and it won't look as well. So you do have to handle it with care, I would suggest. So yeah, but I really love how it's actually, you know, like put together, like crisscross and stuff. The material of the way that it's done, the shape, sorry, that it's done is pretty good. I do like it. That is pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. This is gonna be a short video. We're gonna go ahead and try it. And what I've noticed just now as well as I'm speaking is it has 3 different sizes. Can you see here? there's 3 different things, 3 different hoops. So depending on your wrist size, you can either pop it in here, or you can pop it in the middle one, or you can pop it at the you know, depends on your wrist size. It's just like an adjustable thing. So there's 3. So yeah, there's only 1 size in this. So I assume that's probably why they did that. But that's a pretty good idea. I'm probably gonna put it on this last one here because I got a pretty small wrist, and this bottom one there. But let's see how it looks on the wrist, and let's see if it's worth the price. So yeah, guys, I do actually like this. It's thick. It looks good. I'm not so sure if I would say it looks cheap. I don't think it looks cheap, but you guys let me know. Maybe the flash might be kind of making it look cheap, but in real time view, it looks pretty. It looks nice, like good condition. Looks good. And I probably, you know, would buy. Well, I would probably recommend it to somebody else, you know, to buy. It's good quality. It's really nice. I can't lie. Excuse my hairy arms, but no, it's really good. It looks better like this. I can't lie. It looks better from this kind of view. But it looks a bit like it's big for me. But again, I can adjust the size. I think there's 1 more size left of me to adjust. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so yeah, this is the Armani bracelet, bangle bracelet, whatever you want to call it, gold, stainless steel. But yeah, I'll be leaving the link for this below if you guys are interested in getting this. Short, simple video. That's it really. So guys, let me know what you think of the quality, the material. Let me know what you think of it as a whole. See if you would, you know, if you would buy it yourself. So guys, it's been your boy Max, and I'm out. Peace.